So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on Advanced Settings. And then we're going to click on Inbound Rules. And then select New Rule. Now you want to select Port. And then click on Next. Then we're going to select UDP. And now in this box right here, we're going to type in 49152-65535. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Click on Next again. And then just type in Steam. And click on Finish. Now for the next step, you want to head over to your Steam library and you want to find the game that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on Installed Files, and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now for the last step, we're going to head over to Search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and click on Enter. Then we're going to type in netsh winsock reset and click on Enter again. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.